finally I'm going to release and good evening, ma'am. How was the session yesterday? Yesterday very nice test was given. Only some children got 3 marks. Their study has to be improvised. Understood? Come on, go for it. Because so today, 4 numerical we are going to do. Are you ready? Can you explain the answer? Are you ready for the session, please? Okay. Quickly give attendance. Sam, ready? Take out your note, please. Everyone, take out your note, please. Get ready for the class. Your first question for today. Find the change in momentum of a car. Find the change in momentum of a car. Momentum of a car getting 1300 kg when its speed. Good evening, child. Now come on, start solving the question, child. All the questions must be solved in time. Bhavya, Shanvi, give me attendance as fast as possible. Come on, come on, come on, come on, children. Come on, go for it, please. Find the change in momentum of a car between 1500 kg when its speed increases from 36 km to 72 km uniformly. Come on, start solving the question and give me the answer. See, the most easy question, the most easiest question, what you can say. Here, big work we don't have to do. Please pay attention here. Find the change in momentum of a car between 1500. So definitely we need to change the yes. So momentum is what? Mass into velocity. Power cut was there. I was like really here and there searching power. Na? So now look here. Mass is equal to 1500 kg was there. Okay. So mass is how much? 1500 kg. After that, what we have done with u is equal to initial velocity is 36 km per hour and final velocity is 72 km per hour. Now you have to find momentum. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. This is the formula. But beta, here rate of change we are going to find. Here rate of change we are going to find. 1500 is coming. Rate of change we are going to find.
I will change it. If this kilometer meter per second.
We'll see how much it is coming. All are kg kilometer per second. Na? So
10 and 20, not 10. I'm going to change it. Kilometer per hour, meter per second.
You don't need to change now because they have given same unit. Everywhere same unit is there. So if same unit is there, it is not needed to change. Now, come on, Tanish. Say. So here it is coming as m is equal to mv minus mu. So beta mv minus u. What is m? 1500. And here it is coming as how much beta? 72 and 36. How much it is coming? 72 minus 36. So 72 minus 36 is coming how much? Now say the answer. 72 minus 36. Okay, it is kg meter per second. Yes, unit conversion will be there. Unit conversion finally can we do? Now look here. Unit conversion means here we will do this. V minus u is equal to 70 minus 36. Okay, because unit conversion is needed 70 minus 36. It is coming 12 minus 6, 6 minus 3, 36 kilometer per hour. Now we will convert 36 kilometer per hour. That is, this much is coming as how much here? This is kg, 1500 kg. This is 1500 kg into 36. Now kilometer per hour will be getting converted into meter per second. So it will become 5 by 80. So now it is kg meter per second square. Kg meter per second square. 18 here it is 2. So it is coming 5 on 2, 3, 0. And that is kg meter per second square. Kg meter per second square. Where good morning, Peter. Bhavya, good evening. Come on. Tanisha, you got the answer. Come on, say. Tanisha, you got the answer. Done? Over? Yes. Now next, Shweta, Smrita today present or not? Shweta, Smrita, where are these two children? Now let's start the session. We'll go for the next question, Beta. You got the answer. We'll go for the next session. Next question. Now go for this question. Solve this question, please. Who can solve this question, please? What will be the acceleration of a body of mass 5 kg if a force of 200 Newton is applied on it? Very easy question. Not at all a tough question. Come on, go for it.
40 meter per second.
What is the answer coming with that?
40 meter per second.
Say the answer, please.
40 meter per second.
Over. Very good. So now look here. Here question is what? Mass is given as 5 kg. Understood? And force is given as 200 Newton. Force is given as 200 Newton. What is acceleration? We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So what is mass? 200 is equal to 5 into A. Our force is given as 200. So 200 divided by 5 because force is equal to 200 divided by 5 is equal to A. So beta A is equal to 20 meter per second square acceleration. 20 meter per second square. I hope everybody got that. 20 meter per second square. 40 or 20? 40. Sorry, no, 40. 200 means 40 meter per second square. Yes. Unit is correct. Shweta, Smita, Steril, Yuba, this question have Shanti. These names are not getting. Come on, do. I'm calling out the names Shweta, Smita, Yuvashri, Shanvi. Is it done? We'll go for the next question, children. Ready for the next question, please? 40 absolutely correct. Done now? Now look here. Next question. Our next question is this one. Calculate the force required to impose to a car a velocity of this in 10 seconds starting from this. The mass of the car is this. I think this question we have solved. Now let's solve this question. Come on, this question I will give for test. This Sunday you are having test. Come on, go for it.
I will use the momentum formula. Momentum formula I will use.
Right? Let's see. Use momentum formula or try to solve the question as fast as possible. Come on. Shweta, Smita, Yuva, last time I'm calling out your names. Shanvi. Now look here. Calculate the force required to import to a car a velocity of this. Means we have to bring velocity 30 meter per second. In how much time?
10 seconds.
In how much time?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. So we have to exactly bring. How much is the answer? Come on, check.
4,500.
4,500. 4,500 unit. Okay, very good. But I need a very perfect answer. 4,500 plus or minus. Some children maybe plus or minus because you should not be giving minus plus. I want very particularly give the answer plus or minus. Now look at that. First I will be solving the question. What is the mass of the car? The mass of the car is how much? 15,000 or 1,500. The mass of the car is 1,500. Let's see. Yes, now it is correct. Mass of car is 1,500 kg. Okay. Next given is time taken to go from initial point to final point is 10 seconds. Now final velocity is 30 meter per second. Initial velocity is 0. So here which formula we are going to use? Our formula is mass is equal to mass into acceleration. Absolutely. Correct. And but here beta acceleration is not given. Here it will become v minus u by t. Now beta mass v minus u by t. F is equal to what is your mass?
1,500.
1,500. What is final velocity? 30.
30.
Final velocity 30 minus initial velocity 10 by 10. So now all the units are same now, meter per second, here kg. So here what we are going to do, this 10 and this 0 will get cancelled. How much is coming? 150 into 30. So it will come 4500 Newton. What is the answer? 4500 Newton. Well done, children. The answer is absolutely correct. Super performance. Very good. Shall we go for the next question, please?
Yes.
Come on. Online children, come on, say the answer. Now, next question is it done from here? Done? Sam written? Now, next question, go for this question, please. Everyone try this question out here. I think we have done revision. One time we have discussed. Now, next question. A force of 5 Newton give a mass M1. Give a mass how much? M1. So I'm giving here a mass M1. Give a mass M1. Okay? An acceleration of 8 meter per second square and a mass M2. And an acceleration of 24 meter per second square. What else acceleration would it give if both the masses are tied together? This question I have solved. This question I have solved. Come on. Everyone give me the final answer please. This question I have already solved. So kindly go for it please. So how to solve this question? Shahid, can you give me the answer please? Now look here children, I will explain first. See,
5 by 6.
5 by 6. 5 by 6 is the answer children, can you tell me? 5, no.
5 by 6.
No, one student is telling it is 6 centimeter, 6 meter per second square.
5 by 6. Right together.
No. No.
5 by 6.
5 by
6.
6. Okay. Now listen. 5 by 6, some are telling what is the answer is 6. All people are telling different answers. Let's see what is the correct answer. Let's check what is the correct answer. Now let's see. I'm going to solve the question. A force of 5 Newton. So one body is there. The mass of the body is, now look here. The mass of the body is m1. And it is having acceleration 8 meter per second.
That is A1.
And force is exactly given as 5 Newton. So beta force is equal to
M1 into
mass m1 into
A1.
So force is 5 is equal to m1 into
A
acceleration is 8. So here m1 is equal to 5 by 8 kg. Done. m1 is equal to 5 by 8 kg. Now second body is there. Its mass is m2. This is mass. Mass is how much beta?
M2.
Mass is m2.
A2 is
Acceleration is A2 is equal to how much given?
24
meter per second square. Force remains the same. Beta force is
5 Newton.
5 Newton. So here force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is 5.
Now
Is equal to
M2 into A2.
M2 into A2 will go. So here M2 into A2 is 24. So what is M2 beta? M2 is 5 by
24.
Now this body and this body, they both are tied together. Understood both. So here M1 and M2. So what is the final mass? Mass will become M1 plus M2. So these two bodies are
Tied together.
tied together. So when you are tying together two bodies, what is the mass coming? M1 plus M2. What is the mass coming? M1 plus M2.
5 by 8 plus 5
So here first you check this one out. Understood? So now what is force? Force is equal to M1 plus M2 and we don't know the acceleration. So let acceleration be A. So into A. Then our force is exactly same. M1 plus M2. What is M1 beta? 5 by A plus 5 by 24 into A. Now, beta, here base is different. Here 5 is same, na? But can I do one thing? I will multiply up by 3 and down by 3. So it will become 15 by 24 plus 5 by 24. And here it is coming as A beta. So what is our final conclusion? Here 5 is equal to 20 by 24A. So now 5 into 24 by 20 is equal to A. So now 5 fours are 20. It is coming, acceleration is coming 6 meter per second square. So when both the bodies are tied together, the acceleration is coming as 6 meter per second square. I hope you might have understood. The acceleration part is coming as how much beta? 6 meter per second square. The acceleration is coming as 6 meter per second square. Acceleration is coming as 6 meter per second square. So did you understand how I solved? So first what did we do? M mass, M1 taken. Then taken mass, M2. And after that both taken together, and after that adding M1 plus M2. I hope it is clear to you. I hope it is clear to you, children. Everybody has given the answer. Nice one. Now look at it. Everyone, Sweta, Smita absent, Shanti absent, Yuvashi absent. 3 people are putting absent. Is it done? Yes. We'll go for next one. Solve this question, please. Solve this question, please. Once the class will be over, this video will be only available to your class for reference. Okay? Now go for the next question. A motor car of mass 250 kg is moving with a certain velocity. Okay? First we will read the question. A motor car of mass 250 kg is moving with certain velocity. What is the weight of the car? Mass is what? 250 kg. It is brought to rest by the application of brake. So that is what. Now we are putting what?
Final zero.
Okay. With a distance of 18. What is the answer?
Final zero.
Final velocity will become 0. Final velocity will become 0. First you do one thing. You will first go press the light button. Otherwise, next question already we are solving. We are saying next question. A motor car of mass 250 kg is moving with a certain velocity, is brought to rest, okay, by the application of brakes within a distance of 18 meter. Within a distance of how much meter?
18 meter.
So how much is distance given first? First we will understand. Child, can you say me the answer, please? So the distance is exactly coming as how much meter? 18 meter. What is the final velocity? Since the vehicle is stopping, final velocity is 0. What was the initial velocity? See, initial velocity we don't know. Okay. Now next one. It is brought to rest by application of brakes with a distance of 18 meter. And what was the force offered to stop it? What was the force offered to stop it? The force offered. So U we don't know. Okay. Okay. So mass is 250 kg. What is the mass of the vehicle? The mass of the car is 250 kg. Next, rest by application with a distance of 18 meter with the average resistance being offered to it. And force given to it is, how much force is given to it? 1000 Newton force is applied to it. What is the velocity of the motor? So first, can we find the acceleration? We need to find first acceleration. Now see here, what and all things are given. What is the initial velocity of the car? We need to find first. Fine. Come on, children. What is the initial velocity of the car? We need to find first. But before finding the initial velocity of the car, what work we need to do is force is given, mass is given. Can we find acceleration? First, shall we find acceleration? So once we are going to find acceleration. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. What is the acceleration, beta? What is acceleration coming?
Four.
So acceleration is coming as 4 meter per second square. So you got acceleration as 4 meter per second square. Now, next one. Once you got acceleration, you need to find initial velocity. Now we have three equations of motion. First is v minus u
by d.
by d is equal to a. V square minus u square is equal to as. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half
But we don't
at
have
square.
time now. I think again use again.
That's what. So first one we can't use. Now look at this one we can't use because they have not mentioned time. This one also we can't use because they have not mentioned time. So which one we can use is only middle one. So what is our middle formula? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. What is our final velocity?
Zero.
0. What is our initial velocity? God knows. What is our acceleration? 4. What is our distance? 80. Done. So 4 to the 8. Now how much it is coming? Minus u square is equal to 140 into 8. How much it is coming? 144. Is it correct?
Minus 144.
Minus
144.
144. So acceleration and distance. So you need to be very carefully answering the question. Come on. V square is equal to u square. Rishabh, good evening, beta. Good evening, Rishabh. So what is the answer coming, children? Come on, say the answer fast. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. What is
Minus
the formula?
144.
V square is 0. So what answer will be coming? Come on,
Minus
say.
144.
V square and here v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So what is the answer coming? Acceleration and displacement. What value you are going? 4. No. Still no. Try.
Minus 144.
Minus 144, how will it be? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Understood?
144.
Here, first thing is that force application is what? Nobody is telling me this part. Now, 12 will come, but here one thing is missing. What is applied here? Acceleration or retardation? What is applied here? Answer my question. What is applied here? Acceleration or retardation? Absolutely correct. Here, what is applied here is retardation. Okay, correct. So, if retardation is there, when retardation will come? When it is friction. When friction is more powerful. Aha, those people who are putting minus answer, only one thing you need to just answer me. So, here force will be plus or minus. The answer will be force will be minus RT. Why? Because here force is applied to stop the vehicle. So whenever force is applied to stop the vehicle, force will be negative. Force will be negative because here it is friction, opposing motion. So when it is opposing motion, the moment it is opposing motion, friction will become minus. So now here acceleration part will become minus. The moment acceleration part is minus, means here it will become minus and minus. Now this and this will get cancelled. So u square is equal to 144. So root under if you are taking, u will be coming as how much? Initial velocity will become 12 meter per second. Did you got this point? Negative because of retardation. Absolutely correct. Understood? So here it is exactly coming as retardation. So retardation, whenever it will be coming, it will be force will be what? Minus. Understood? So now you understood answer. Root answer will not be coming negative here. So what work we are going to do is, first we got acceleration. After getting acceleration, we came to know that it is not actually acceleration, it is retardation. So since it is retardation, I put minus here. Okay. So here, since it is retardation, it will become minus. So now A is equal to minus. So here, substituting A is equal to minus. So B squared minus U squared minus 2AS. Since it is a case of retardation. So here, one small change I will do. It will become minus 2AS. This and this will get cancelled. So U squared is equal to 2AS. And then we are substituting the value. Answer is coming as 12. No, classes were there. Actually, my health was not good. My health was not good. The Saturday, Sunday, my health was not good. So now listen. Did you understood this part? Done? Did you understood this part? Got it? Done nicely? Now beta, next part. Can I remove this one? Can I remove this one? Now go for next question, please. This question goes to all of you. Come on, go for it. Come on, children, answer the question, please. Shall we solve it?
Yeah, no.
Okay, you want to try? Try.
I will change the 90 kilometer into meter per second.
90 kilometer per hour and it takes.
Can change and we can solve it.
My voice is audible. 2 minutes. Okay.
The math is coming minus 2.
Answer is without mic. I was audible. Nice.
Now minus 12.
Good evening, Abhay. Now my voice will be clear. 100%. Okay, one person. Tanisha has given the answer. Tanisha is telling 3600. Tanisha, one time check, beta, one more time. Good evening, Anmol. Now, can I solve? Okay. Arunisha is giving answer minus 1000. Let's see. Minus 1000. Here, Amrish is also giving minus 1000 answer. Can we start solving the question? Now look here. A motorcycle is moving with a velocity of 90 kilometer per hour. What is the velocity of the motorcycle? What is the velocity? Velocity is 90 kilometer per hour. Okay. And it takes 5 seconds to stop after the brakes are applied. So initial velocity is 90. Final velocity is 0 because the vehicle is going to, the motorcycle is going to stop. So initial velocity is coming as 90 kilometer per hour. After how much seconds they are telling? Time, total time taken is 5 seconds. After that it is going to stop. So that final velocity is coming as 0. Calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motorcycle. Mass given is, what is the mass given? Mass given is 200 kg. Everything is there. We know force formula. Force is equal to what, beta? Mass into acceleration. Force we don't know. Mass is given as 200. Acceleration can be written as v minus u by t. Our final velocity is 0. So now look here. It is given in meter per second. Now where it is kilometer per hour. So what we will do here is it is given 90 kilometer per hour. 90 kilometer per hour means 5 by 18. So here it will come as 10 and it is coming as, wait, 9 tens are and 9 twos are. Then here it is coming as 25 meter per second. Space is not there here. So directly I am writing here after solving kilometer per hour, it will become how much? 25 meter per second. Because 90 kilometer into 5 by 18. So it will come how much times? It will come 5 times. So 25 meter per second. So initial velocity, final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 25. And time is given how much beta? 5 seconds. So here 5 fours are 20, 0. So how much it is coming? Minus 1, 2, 3. So how much force is? Minus 1000 Newton. What is the force here? Minus 1000 Newton. Sorry, I was exactly solving. So 25 meter per second. Absolutely correct, beta. So answer is coming as how much? Answer is coming as minus 1000 Newton. Chahil, very good. Today I'm seeing you solving all the numericals and giving pakka answers. This is what I'm wanting from all of you. Yeah, while I was solving questions, I saw many people sent the answers. Super. Today class is very much alive. All children are exactly answering the question. My voice is not clear now also. Is my voice clear? Children, can you tell me my voice is clear or not? Amar, I was solving question here. I did not saw your message. Can you resend your message? Done, beta? Any question, doubt is there? I'll clear it. Done? Can we move it? Children, can we move this question? Go for next question. Come on, go for it, children. A body of mass 2 kg is kept at rest. Oh, mass is exactly how much? 2 kg. Where it is kept? It is kept at rest. After that, a constant force of 6.0 Newton start acting on it. Wow, this is a super question. A constant force of how much, beta? 6.0 Newton acting on it. Now next, see what they are telling. Come on, go for it, beta. Start acting on it. Find the time taken by the body to move through a distance of 54 meter. Let's see how many of you can solve this question. Yeah, this is the next question only. Press the like button. You will be getting the question, beta. A body of mass is kept. Yes, initial velocity will be 0. Here initial velocity will become 0. Initial velocity will be 0. After that, what they are telling? Mass is given as 2 kg. Force is given as 6 Newton. Time is needed when displacement is 54 meter. So first now, what in all things are given now? Completed. Oh. Don't say the answer. What is the time coming, beta? Which class, beta? Important question in physics for which class? Absolutely correct. Uh, Okay, after that,
But we can't change this.
here one thing is there, na beta, you are ignoring force. Force is given, mass is given. First, you find acceleration.
I find that.
So when acceleration is there, then three equations of motion are there. S is equal to ut plus half, at square is also there. From there, time is there. Otherwise, you have to separately find v. Which class, if you will say, then I will give important questions, beta. Come on, come on, come on, children. Tell the answer, please. Now look here. First, all the preliminaries I am going to write. Check, children, what and all preliminaries are needed. First is mass given. What is mass given, beta? 2 kg. Initial velocity u is equal to 0. What is u? Initial velocity. Initial velocity u is equal to 0 because the body is kept at rest. After that, they are telling force. Constant force started putting, 6 Newton force started acting on it. And what is the time taken by it? So that displacement is coming as 54 meter. Now here mass is given, force is given. First we need to, because constant force will generate acceleration. हाँ 100% पहचान गए तुम. Now look here beta, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Understood? Because the force is exactly, once you are implementing force, it is generating acceleration. What it is generating beta? Acceleration. Monkey. So now look here. Here it is 6 is equal to, what is mass? 2. What is acceleration? We don't know. So acceleration is equal to 6 by 2. What is the acceleration beta? 3 meter per second square. Now we have acceleration. Now initial velocity is 0. So it is the best part for us. S is equal to ut plus half at square. What is S beta? S is 54. Initial velocity 0 into time plus half. What is acceleration beta? 3 into t square. Okay. Now this part will become 0. So 54 is equal to 3 by 2 into t square. Now 2 will go and multiply. 54 into 2 by 3 is equal to 2 square. So now here it is coming as 3 ones are 3, then 2 4 3 8s are, then t square is coming as 36. Now root under if you will put, so time is coming as 6 seconds. So what is the time taken? Wow, super. Time taken, time taken, super. Once you are implementing, H part is 2 equations came na. After bringing 2 equations, equation A is equal to 2, B. Answer came? This answer, okay. So I'll meet you in live. Today don't miss, because today is increasing and decreasing function. I'll teach you all the preliminaries of increasing and decreasing function. You be present there. Okay. Ama, come. Okay, human. So at least you told your name. You only told na pehchana. You itself said human. You are human. So hereafter I will call you human. So 6 is 80 is equal to t is equal to how much answer is coming beta? Time is equal to 6 seconds. You itself told your answer. Now, shall we go for the next question, children? So here, I hope everybody got the answer. Time is coming as 6 seconds. So these are very, very important questions. And you know what? These questions are basic questions. And once you will start solving these questions, you will itself feel little strength in fourth chapter. Okay. Now we will go for the next one, beta. Because till now our assertion, reason, case study parts are missing. Oh, this is the question. I was waiting. Anjali, what answer you have given, beta? I did not saw. 18 point, no beta, no, 18 is not correct answer. I did not insulted you, sorry. Hmm. Come on, we will do this question, please. 6 seconds is absolutely correct answer. Now we are going to solve this question. Children, please kindly solve this question. Try this question, beta. A very good question. Come on, go for it, please. Try this question out, everyone. See, I did not mean to insult anyone, children. I was doing that time teaching, so only I was not able to answer your questions. Anyone? Suddenly, what happened? This is the next question only. Solve this question. I think you are not seeing the live part. Come on, solve question, please. A bullet of mass 4 gram when fired with a velocity of this. So, what is the initial velocity? Children, look here. Bullet mass is given 4 gram. So, first mass of bullet given is how much, beta? 4 gram. So, mass is given as 4 gram. Can we convert it into kg? That will become how much kg, beta? 4 by 1000 kg. So mass of bullet is coming as how much, beta? 4 by 1000 kg. What is the initial velocity? What is the initial velocity? Come on, start solving this question, everyone. So here, initial velocity u is equal to 50 meter per second. And what is the displacement given is 10 centimeter. I hope, children, you can solve this question. Try out this question. They are asking average resistance offered by the wall. Means with what velocity it is exactly, it is going to stop. Come on, children, you can do it. Solve it. No answer coming. Solve. I gave time here. Where are you? Solved. Question solved. Displacement is given. How much will be the average resistance offered by the wall? So first mass is given, u is given, and this is momentum question. Momentum generated. First 50 Newton. So here generally you have to find force only. Okay. 50 Newton is coming. Let's see. Depth is given here. Depth is given here. Children, what you are going to do in this question? Come on, come on, come on. So beta, depth is given 10 centimeter. So what we will convert beta? We will convert 10 centimeter into meter. So now this will become 1 by 10 meter. See, I hope nobody got the answer. 50 Newton is correct only. Only one person, Arunisha, got the answer. So now look here beta. First is mass given is this much. So 4 gram. What did we did? First we converted mass into kg. So here this is coming as kg. Arunisha, I saw your answer. Now look here. You initial velocity is 50 meter per second. Now beta, live is breaking. Now look here. What work we are going to do beta? First is we know v square. So now I am going to solve the question because here v square, because there you also got, let's see. Now look here, I'm going to solve the question. See, only this much mass is given, initial velocity given, displacement given. Now with the help of this, what and all work we can do? Can you tell me what and all work we can do? U given, S given, mass given. With this, what formula you are going to use, beta? Hey, monkey, everybody. So please pay attention here. See, I think there is internet issue. Internet issue where, beta? From my side, internet issue is not there. From my side, internet issue is not there. Can you check? Okay, see, bullet is fired and this wall is there. Inside the wall, it is exactly going to a depth of 10 centimeter. That is 10 by 100 meter. Got it? So that is 10 by 100 meter. So that is 1 by 10 meter. Got it? So now here, what is the final velocity? Initial velocity of the bullet with which it is released is 50 meter per second. What is the final velocity? After hitting it, the velocity will become 0. So which equation of motion we will use? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Are you understanding? Since this is the wall beta, and this wall is offering resistance. This wall is offering what? Resistance. Now after this, what we will do beta? V is 0 minus, but here it is resistance, average resistance they are asking. So U is 50 square is equal to 2 into, did you know the acceleration? No. But beta here retardation is there and displacement is coming as 10. Is it done till here? Is it done till here? What is the final answer coming, children? Come on, say. Acceleration is coming positive or negative. So now look here, beta. This is 50 square. Now look here. This part is coming v square. So here, since it is retardation. So here it will become what, beta? Minus. Got it? So here acceleration part will be coming minus. But here retardation means final, or I'll write down. Now here it is coming 50 is 2. Come and note down 25, 0, 0. And here it is coming as into 5. That is acceleration. So acceleration is 0, 0, 5, 5, 25, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 12500 meter per second square. This is exactly coming as retardation. So this is exactly retardation part is coming. But they are telling us force needed. So what is the force needed, beta? Finally, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So force will be equal to, what is mass given to you? 1 by 50. Got it? Acceleration part is coming how much, beta? But here, sorry. So mass is given how much? 4 by 1000. Mass into acceleration. Mass is given 4 by 1000 into, it is coming as 12500. So this 2 zeros and this one will get cancelled. Here 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 25, and here it is coming as 2. So answer is coming as 50 Newton. It will be minus Why it will be minus? Force will be minus because it is resistance. Understood? Force will be minus because it is resistance. But overall answer is coming as 50 Newton. I give you enough time. None of you have given the answer. Only one person has given the answer, and that is Arunisha. Enough time for this question I have given you. I gave sufficient time for you to think, but I think most of you failed to give the answer. After Anunisha, Bhavya solved, and after Bhavya, Tanisha solved. You must check this one answer, beta. See here, nothing is there in the question. Wall, the bullet is going inside and stopping. The displacement is 10 centimeter. That means 1 by 10 meter. B square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Acceleration is coming as this much. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. See, words you need to catch. But if the class is okay, you should put like button, like. Okay, I hope you might have understood till here. Note down, this is one of the most important. All monkey different side, this monkey different side. I hope you might have noted. Note down, please. Ah, Aru, this time easy. Test time only you are creating problem for me. So this time, our monthly test topper is, who is the topper? First ranker? 25. So that means you are the topper. The first topper is him. After the second topper and third topper, I'm going to release the score today. In the group, I'm going to release the score and explain who are the top 3 rankers. Hi, Sushant. I hope this question is over. Now, next class, third motion, Newton's third law of motion is done. Now, some of the numericals are still left. Okay, I'm moving. The numericals, okay, don't do it. I'm waiting. Now, numericals related to third law of motion. Good evening, beta. Numericals related to third law of motion is left. That part, one more class, third law of motion. And what did I am saying? Third law of motion. Force. Understood everything? Hey, done, right? Okay, that's it for today, children. Enjoy your time. Tomorrow I'm meeting. Fine.